Motorcycling in 2026 isn't just about speed anymore, it's about riding smarter. Today on Make Life Smart, we're revealing motorcycle gadgets every rider will regret not having in 2026. From intelligent safety tech to ride-changing innovations, these upgrades don't just look futuristic, they feel essential. Stay with us because once you see what's coming, your next ride will never be the same. Introducing the MOTOEYE Helmet Smart E6 E6 SE, a motorcycle heads-up display designed for riders who want information without distraction. This smart helmet system projects essential data directly into your line of sight, so you never have to look down while riding. Speed, navigation cues, and alerts appear clearly and naturally, keeping your focus where it belongs, on the road ahead. The MOTOEYE E6 E6 SE connects seamlessly to your smartphone, bringing real-time navigation, call notifications, and ride information into a clean, futuristic display. Its low-latency projection ensures smooth visuals even at high speeds. Designed to fit comfortably inside most helmets, it's lightweight, discreet, and built for everyday riding. Meet the Vantrue F1 4K, a motorcycle dashcam built for riders who want clarity, confidence, and control on every ride. When you're on two wheels, the road can change in an instant. The Vantrue F1 4K captures every moment in stunning ultra-high definition, delivering sharp detail day or night. From busy city traffic to open highways, nothing gets missed. Its dual camera setup records both front and rear simultaneously, giving you full coverage and real awareness of your surroundings. The wide-angle lenses ensure a complete view, while advanced low-light performance keeps footage clear after sunset. Designed for real riding conditions, the rugged, weather-resistant build handles rain, dust, and vibration with ease. Smart features like loop recording, GPS tracking, and automatic emergency locking turn this dashcam into a silent riding partner. With the Vantrue F1 4K, you don't just record your ride, you ride smarter and safer. The Vantrue F1 4K, a smart dashcam made for serious riders. It records your journey in stunning 4K, capturing every detail day and night. With dual front and rear cameras, weather-ready design, and intelligent emergency recording, it quietly protects you on every ride. The Vantrue F1 4K isn't just a camera, it's peace of mind on two wheels. Meet the GoPro Hero 13 Black, a camera designed to transform how you capture life. Whether you're riding, traveling, or pushing limits outdoors, the Hero 13 Black is built to keep up with every moment. It delivers stunning ultra-high-resolution video with rich colors and sharp detail, turning fast action into smooth cinematic footage. Advanced stabilization works silently in the background, keeping shots steady even when the movement gets intense. From mountain roads to city streets, every frame feels controlled and professional. Low light performance has been refined, so night scenes and challenging lighting stay clear and vibrant. Smart shooting modes automatically adjust settings in real time, letting you focus on the experience instead of the controls. The rugged, waterproof design means no extra case, no hesitation, just press record and go. A brighter touchscreen and improved battery efficiency make long shoots easier and more intuitive. With the GoPro Hero 13 Black, you're not just recording moments, you're turning them into powerful stories. Introducing the Alpinestars Tech Air 5 Plasma, one of the smartest motorcycle airbag systems ever built. Motorcycle safety has evolved far beyond helmets and armor, and Tech Air 5 Plasma proves it. This intelligent airbag vest uses advanced sensors and AI algorithms to monitor your ride in real time, ready to react in milliseconds when it matters most. In the event of a crash, the airbag deploys instantly, protecting critical areas like the chest, back, ribs, and shoulders before impact even happens. The plasma version features a lightweight, breathable design, making all-day riding comfortable without sacrificing protection. It's fully self-contained, fits under most jackets, and requires no connection to the bike. With the Alpinestars Tech Air 5 Plasma, safety becomes invisible, intelligent, and always ready, so you can ride with confidence, not compromise. The INNOVV K6, a motorcycle dashcam built for riders who want complete awareness on every journey. When you're riding, things can change in a heartbeat. The INNOVV K6 captures your ride in crisp, high-resolution detail, making sure nothing escapes the lens. From daily commutes to long-distance adventures, every moment is recorded with clarity and confidence. Its dual camera system records both front and rear simultaneously, giving you full coverage of your surroundings. Wide-angle lenses and strong low-light performance ensure clean footage whether it's bright daylight or late-night riding. Designed for real-world conditions, the K6 features a rugged, weatherproof build that stands up to rain, dust, and constant vibration. QuadLock, a motorcycle mobile mount trusted by riders worldwide. When you're on the road, your phone becomes your navigator, your music hub, and your connection, and QuadLock keeps it exactly where it belongs. The patented dual-stage locking system holds your phone firmly in place, even on rough roads and high-speed rides. Mounting and removing your phone takes just a twist, making it fast, simple, and secure. With multiple mounting options and vibration dampening support, your device stays stable while your focus stays on the ride.